Hello, my name is Stewart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. Today I'm in North Seattle, the Laurelhurst neighborhood, and this is Connie's house. And I've just aerated, seeded, and fertilized this lawn here. And I'm going to come back in a couple of weeks' time and see how it looks. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye. Hi, this is Stewart. And today is October 16th, and I'm on Connie's lawn here in North Seattle. And this is a lawn that I previously aerated, seeded, and fertilized her lawn. And I was just here checking out the results. Once again, hey, thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.